In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Transit app for free. First, we will start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. This is a straightforward action, but it sets the stage for everything that follows. As you tap on the Play Store icon, you will see a colorful interface filled with various apps and games. This is where you will find millions of applications, including the Transit app. It is essential to have this platform ready, as it is the official source for safe and secure downloads. Next, you'll want to search for the Transit Niche Subway and Bus Times app. In the search bar at the top, type in Transit Niche Subway and Bus Times. As you type, you may notice suggestions appearing below. This feature helps you find the app quickly and ensures you are looking for the right one. Accuracy is key here to avoid downloading the wrong application. Once the app appears in the list, you're one step closer to having real-time transit information at your fingertips. Now tap on the app by Transit Inc. This step is important because it ensures you are selecting the official version of the app. When you tap on it, you'll be directed to the app's page. Here, you can see details such as the app description, user reviews, and screenshots. This information can help you confirm you've chosen the right app. It's a good practice to check the ratings and read a few reviews before proceeding. This gives you confidence in your download choice. Next, tap Install. This button is usually highlighted in green, making it easy to find. Once you tap it, the download process will begin immediately. You will see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. It's a quick process, often taking only a few moments depending on your internet connection. This step is crucial as it initiates the installation of the app on your device. Once the download is finished, you will see an option to tap Open. This is your indicator that the app has been successfully installed on your device. Tapping Open will launch the Transit app for the first time. You'll be greeted with the app's welcome screen, which often provides a brief overview of the app's features. This is an exciting moment as you are about to gain access to valuable transit information that will ease your travel. At this point, you'll need to allow location permission for real-time transit information. This step is vital because the app uses your location to provide accurate and timely updates regarding nearby transit options. When prompted, tap Allow to grant this permission. It may feel a bit intrusive, but rest assured, this feature significantly enhances your user experience. You will see a confirmation indicating that the app can now access your location, ensuring you receive the best possible service. With that ready, you are all set to start using the Transit app. Now you can explore its features, track your bus or subway in real time, and receive alerts for delays. This app can be a valuable companion for your daily commutes or travel adventures. You may even find some additional premium features that enhance your experience, but remember, the basic app is completely free. In conclusion, downloading the Transit app is a simple process that opens up a world of convenience. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and secure installation. Thank you for joining me today and enjoy navigating your city with the Transit app.